The ocean's apex predator, the great white shark, patrols the deep blue, illuminated by the sun's rays as it hunts.
Gliding through the blue, the massive tiger shark is an apex predator with few rivals.
This apex predator patrols the vibrant reef, a calculated hunter contrasting sharply with the colorful life it seeks.
A sudden turn reveals the ocean's apex predator in stunning detail, a formidable hunter of the deep blue.
A colony of Galapagos fur seals playing near the shore of an island. A hammerhead shark hunts in the deep blue ocean.
Along the edge of the continental shelf, the great hammerhead begins its patrol, an apex predator searching for its next meal. The apex predator senses its moment. Ripples of muscle surge as the shark explodes through the water, closing the distance in an instant. As the young seal explores new territory, danger lurks in the deep blue. The great white shark is beginning its hunt.
The mako shark uses the cover of the deep blue, sinking lower to prepare its ambush from below.
As it closes in for the kill, the shark's eyes roll back, shielded by the protective nictitating membrane.
Exploding from the turquoise depths, the 5-meter great white intercepts its prey in a stunning display of predatory force.
A rare glimpse of the elusive tiger shark breaching the surface, water cascading like diamonds in the sun. Hammerheads are incredibly sensitive to vibrations, which draws others to the hunt from miles away.
Deep in the sapphire blue, the ocean's largest inhabitant glides past the rusting remains of a forgotten vessel. A shadow amidst the wreckage, the great white moves with silent purpose, soon to emerge into the vast expanse of the open ocean. The apex predator of the deep, the great white, navigates its territory. Here, it passes the ethereal moon.
The tiger shark, an apex predator, patrols the deep blue. But even here, the spinner dolphins know to keep their distance.
The mako shark's skin, covered in tiny dermal denticles, allows it to cut through the deep blue at incredible speeds when hunting.
Deep in the blue, the great hammerhead begins its hunt, tracked by the research vessel high above.
Illuminated by the vibrant glow of the deep sea, the ocean's apex predator cruises the abyss in search of prey. The great hammerhead ascends from the crushing depths, drawn by the sun's warmth and the promise of prey in the shallows.
The tiger shark, a solitary hunter, patrols the moonlit depths, utilizing the shadows for advantage.
Under the cloak of moonlight, the shortfin mako, the ocean's fastest predator, begins its hunt.
The hammerhead, a spectral hunter of the deep, uses its specialized sensory pores to scan the seabed for hidden prey.
The eagle ray attempts to conceal itself from predators. But in the deep blue,
torpedoes. Using its sophisticated electrical sensors, the tiger shark detects the subtle bioelectric fields of the bear. A sudden burst of speed culminates in the strike, kicking up a cloud of debris, which the shark must immediately filter through its gills.
bioluminescence illuminates the ocean's apex predator as it searches for prey.
Here, miles from shore, the shortfin mako shark patrols the depths, a sleek hunter in the moonlight. Deep within the cave, the hammerhead detects movement. A giant Pacific octopus, disturbed from its lair, emerges to face the intruder. The massive tiger shark approaches, but the tiny blue-ringed octopus holds its ground, displaying its lethal warning colors.
As dawn breaks, the great white returns to the shallows, utilizing the golden hour to stalk its prey.
With powerful sweeps of its tail, the tiger shark patrols the open ocean, an apex predator constantly searching for its next meal.
Moving with an undeniable authority, this colossal predator, nearly 20 feet long, is the undisputed ruler of the deep blue.
A relic from another time, the tiger shark moves through the deep blue, a wise and formidable hunter of the open ocean.
These massive predators navigate a treacherous world, where discarded fishing gear poses a constant threat. The oceanic whitetip, a formidable predator, must navigate the silent threat of the deep, narrowly avoiding the industrial net.
Below the tranquil surface, a formidable predator patrols the deep. The bull shark, a creature of immense power, is always hunting.